Have you ever wondered how to predict altcoin bull run performances? If yes, then you're in the right place. Dive with me into the world of altcoins, these digital currencies that are alternatives to Bitcoin. They're called altcoins as a blend of alternative and coin. With thousands of them in existence, altcoins can be classified into various types based on their functionalities, such as utility tokens, security tokens, and stablecoins. Each type serves a unique purpose in the vast, ever-evolving crypto market. Now let's discuss how they work. Similar to Bitcoin, most altcoins operate on a blockchain, a public ledger where all transactions are recorded. This decentralized nature of altcoins is what sets them apart from traditional currencies. They allow peer-to-peer transactions to be carried out, bypassing the need for a central authority. But why are these altcoins significant? Well, they offer a wide range of use cases, from facilitating smart contracts, powering decentralized applications, to offering privacy features. Altcoins have been instrumental in pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology. Now, onto bull runs. Picture a bull charging forward with unstoppable momentum. That's essentially a bull run in the crypto market, a period when prices are rising or are expected to rise. It's a time of optimism, increased investor confidence, and a surge in buying activity. The impact of a bull run on the crypto market is substantial. It can lead to significant price increases, attracting more investors, and potentially ushering in new technological advancements as projects get more funding. So why is predicting a bull run important? For investors, it's about timing. Entering the market before a bull run allows investors to ride the uptrend and potentially make substantial gains. Conversely, exiting before a bear market, the opposite of a bull run, can prevent losses. Understanding these two concepts is fundamental to predicting altcoin bull run performances. With this foundational knowledge, we can delve deeper into the factors influencing bull runs and the tools and techniques for predicting them. So stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of predicting altcoin bull run performances in the following scenes. Now that we know what altcoins and bull runs are, let's dive into the factors that influence altcoin bull runs. Firstly, market sentiment plays a pivotal role. Simply put, it's the collective attitude of investors toward a particular altcoin or the overall market. When optimism is high, more people are likely to buy, driving prices up and potentially sparking a bull run. Conversely, when fear and pessimism take hold, prices can plummet. Next, we have economic indicators. These are like the pulse of the global economy, providing insights into the overall health of financial markets. In times of economic stability, investments in altcoins often increase, which can fuel a bull run. However, during a recession, investors may pull back, creating downward pressure on altcoin prices. Technological advancements can also create ripples in the altcoin market. New developments in blockchain technology, for instance, can increase the utility of certain altcoins, boosting their value. Likewise, advancements that enhance the security or efficiency of an altcoin can also drive up its price. Government regulations, or the lack thereof, can significantly influence altcoin bull runs. Clear and supportive regulations can provide a sense of security, encouraging more people to invest. However, restrictive regulations, or even just the fear of them, can dampen investor enthusiasm. Lastly, let's not forget the interplay of these factors. For example, positive market sentiment could lead to more technological investment in the crypto space, which could result in advancements that further drive up altcoin prices. Or, economic instability could lead to tighter government regulations, which in turn could negatively impact market sentiment. Understanding these factors and their interplay isn't just academic. They can provide valuable insights that help investors navigate the volatile world of altcoins. By keeping a close eye on these indicators, it's possible to anticipate potential bull runs and make informed investment decisions. Being aware of these factors can help in predicting altcoin bull runs. Predicting altcoin bull runs is not a game of chance, but a process that involves certain tools and techniques. So, what are these tools and techniques? Firstly, we have technical analysis. This is a method of evaluating investments by analyzing statistical data collected from trading activities such as price and volume. Patterns and trends can be identified through charts and indicators, which may provide signals for future price movements. Next is fundamental analysis. This involves examining the underlying factors that affect a coin's value. It includes studying the coin's technology, team, use case, and market competition. A strong fundamental profile can increase the likelihood of a bullish run. Then we have machine learning models. These sophisticated tools use algorithms to predict future price movements based on historical data. They can identify patterns and correlations that are not easily noticeable to the human eye. Machine learning models are not foolproof, but they can provide valuable insights when used in conjunction with other tools. Lastly, sentiment analysis. This involves gauging market sentiment by analyzing social media posts, news articles, and other public discussions about a particular coin. Positive sentiment can often precede a bull run, making this a useful tool in our predictive arsenal. Now, how can these tools and techniques be used to make accurate predictions? Technical analysis can be used to identify entry and exit points. For instance, a breakout from a resistance level on the price chart may suggest the start of a bull run. Fundamental analysis helps in determining the long-term potential of a coin. A coin with a strong use case and a dedicated team may be more likely to experience a bull run. Machine learning models can forecast price movements based on patterns identified in historical data. These predictions can then be validated using real-time data. Sentiment analysis can identify shifts in market sentiment that could trigger a bull run. A sudden surge in positive sentiment may suggest an imminent bull run. The right use of these tools and techniques can significantly improve the accuracy of your predictions. Theory is great, but seeing it in action is even better. So let's look at a case study of a successful altcoin bull run prediction. In 2021, a crypto analyst predicted a significant bull run for an altcoin named Eureka Coin. Now, Eureka Coin was relatively unknown at the time, hovering around the 200th spot in terms of market capitalization. The analyst had been watching Eureka Coin for a while, noticing its consistent growth and strong fundamentals. To predict the bull run, the analyst used a combination of technical analysis and fundamental analysis. For technical analysis, they used tools like moving averages and the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. They observed a bullish divergence in the RSI and a positive crossover in the moving averages, which suggested a strong upward trend. For fundamental analysis, they looked at the coin's utility, partnerships, and community engagement. Eureka Coin had a unique value proposition with a practical use case, impressive partnerships with established companies, and a rapidly growing community. These factors indicated a strong potential for price appreciation. After making this prediction, they shared their findings in a blog post, suggesting that Eureka Coin was poised for a bull run. And guess what? Within a few months, Eureka Coin moved into the top 50 in terms of market capitalization, yielding a return of over 1,000% for those who invested based on the prediction. This prediction wasn't a fluke. It was the result of thorough analysis and a deep understanding of the factors that influence altcoin prices. It's important to remember that while these tools and techniques can improve your chances of making successful predictions, they don't guarantee success. The crypto market is volatile and unpredictable, and there's always a risk involved in investing. This case study demonstrates the practical application of the tools and techniques discussed earlier. As we move forward in exploring the world of altcoins, let's remember the importance of thorough analysis, patience, and risk management. Predicting altcoin bull runs is not a walk in the park. It requires understanding of the crypto market, awareness of the influencing factors, and proficiency in using the right tools and techniques. We've journeyed through the realm of altcoins and their bull runs, examining the factors that can sway their course and the tools that can help us anticipate their movements. We've learned that the crypto market is a complex ecosystem, teeming with a myriad of altcoins, each with its own unique characteristics and potential for growth. The market is influenced by a multitude of factors, from market sentiment and investor behavior to technological advancements and regulatory actions. In order to predict altcoin bull runs, it's crucial to keep a finger on the pulse of these influencing factors. Be it through analyzing trends, tracking investor sentiment, or studying market indicators, staying informed is key. We've also discovered the importance of using the right tools and techniques to aid in our predictions. From technical analysis tools that help us study price movements and historical data, to machine learning algorithms that can forecast future trends, these tools are invaluable in making informed predictions. Our case study of a successful altcoin bull run prediction served as a testament to the power of these tools and techniques. It highlighted the importance of diligent research, careful analysis, and the courage to take calculated risks. The world of altcoin bull run predictions is a challenging yet exciting venture. It's a field that encourages continuous learning, constant adaptation, and a thirst for knowledge. In conclusion, while the road to predicting altcoin bull runs may be steep, with the right knowledge and tools, it's a journey worth embarking on. It's a journey that holds the potential for significant returns and the thrill of navigating a dynamic, ever-evolving market. Remember, the crypto market is volatile and unpredictable, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can make informed predictions and potentially reap huge benefits. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and keep growing.